Hello everyone, my name is Aliyah and Kalisha. Do you want to hear a story? Yes! And today, I am going to tell you a story. The story is all about the hard-working ants. Good morning! I wake up early to look for food. As I walk, I look around. There, I have found a piece of fruit. Oh dear, the apple is very heavy. I cannot move it by myself. I will ask my brothers and sisters for help. With the help of each other, we carry the apple back home. Our home is in the ground. We store a lot of food at home. The queen lives in our home. The queen's belly is very big. She is going to lay eggs. The queen lays many eggs. We put the eggs together carefully. I am out. Baby ants hatch from the eggs. How different they look from us. They eat and grow. There are so many of us now. We need a bigger home. Let us build a new home here. We will dig out the soil. We will make many more rooms. It is moving day. We will carry the food to our new home. We'll also carry eggs that have been newly laid to our new home. It is rainy season. It is hard to find food anywhere. But we are not afraid. We have plenty of food at home. And that is the story about the hard-working ants. Thank you for watching.